some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away.
BYD Greenfield. Ngayon may seagull na. First look. Basa-basa na ng manual. Sa settings, yung pinaka-settings. So sa ilaw, yan po, yung courtesy light. You can adjust naman po yan, sir. Pag after exit or yung sa headlight.
Yung port na, sir, is sa harap po.
Sa harap. That's the partner of our Brio now. Taz.
Ay, wala yung Chinese. Wala yung Chinese.
Oh, wala yung height too? Pinagana agad ang Android Auto wireless. First day, tanggalin na to. Uy, ang hirap. Dapat hindi. Ay, hindi. Tingnan na. Yung galing na rin to. Apple CarPlay naman. Gawa tayo ng head unit review nito.
A few moments later.
From Boni to ano to? Sa Coastal Cavitex. 6% na bawas. Okay na rin.
1 hour later.
So ngayon sa bahay na tayo. So from Boni Greenfield, BYD Greenfield, umabot tayo ng only 13%. So from Greenfield to Cavite. So matipid naman. Ba ito yung 7 kilowatt? Ay, kapasa ito yung 7 kilowatt V2L tsaka portable charger.
I know you're dead.